Story Tracker. Don't forget the details. Whether you're writing an epic fantasy or a sweeping romance, it's important to take note of the details in the world you're creating, as well as events, dates, and the like. Even if your novel is set in our world, there will be elements unique to the one you create, the names of streets, restaurants, etc. This is different than the character profile tracker in the lesson on outlining, but an equally important resource. You'll thank yourself later. You can modify the spreadsheets accompanying this lesson to make it your own, including elements that pertain to your book. When you open the accompanying spreadsheet, click File, make a copy, and have at it. Note the tabs at the bottom to help keep you organized. It's also color-coded to span a series because that can get tricky to track without a bit of help. The following slides outline some items you might include in your tracker. People, secondary characters, cameo characters. You never know when you'll want the love interest to have had the same piano teacher. Places, things, sentimental objects, unique trinkets, etc. Addresses, age, backstory. Birthdays, businesses, catchphrases, character powers, events, favorites, geography, laws, locations, relationships. Restaurants, sayings, schools, setting details, settings, songs, symbols, timelines. And be sure to see the accompanying spreadsheets to track your book and series.